Hello and welcome to the latest commodity market update on Ajayastro Maniguru. Today, we focus on the remarkable surge in copper and zinc prices, driven by China's new economic stimulus efforts, and how this impacts the global metals market. As of today, copper prices on the London Metal Exchange, LME, hit their highest levels in 4 months. Copper rose by 0.7%, reaching an impressive $10,051.50 per metric ton, and at one point, touched a peak of $10,158, its highest since early June. Meanwhile, in China, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, saw November copper prices climbing to 78,800 yuan per ton, marking a significant rise not seen since mid-July. So what's driving this growth? China, the world's largest consumer of copper, has been taking decisive steps to boost its economy. Measures such as lowering interest rates, injecting liquidity into banks, and easing restrictions on home purchases have sparked renewed optimism about increased demand for metals. As copper is a key indicator of global economic health, these developments are being closely watched by traders and analysts alike. Similarly, zinc prices have also surged, with the Shanghai market reaching levels not seen since late May. On the LME, zinc briefly touched $3,130 per ton before settling at $3,094.50, while SHFE zinc hit a high of 25,380 yuan per ton. Zinc's role in construction makes it particularly sensitive to China's property sector, which could benefit from the country's stimulus measures aimed at boosting infrastructure and housing demand. Other base metals have also seen gains, reflecting broader market optimism. Aluminium rose slightly on both the LME and SHFE, with prices reaching $2,648 per ton on the LME. Nickel and tin have seen more significant increases, with nickel rising by 0.6% and tin climbing by 0.5%. In China's domestic market, these metals posted even stronger gains, especially nickel and tin, which surged by 2% and 2.8%, respectively. While these price gains are encouraging, there are still concerns over whether physical demand can keep pace. Despite the price hikes, China's manufacturing data continues to show signs of weakness, raising questions about the sustainability of this rally. Investors will need to monitor both economic indicators and potential supply constraints to gauge where the market is heading. That wraps up today's update. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Maniguru for more in-depth analysis on the commodities market. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.